Yeah, if we get too close, let's just keep moving away.
Good. Mm-hmm. Where's oh, yes. Alright. Yeah, gone. There it is.
Take the picture already.
I'm taking a video.
They're not flying away.
I know.
Where are they leading us?
I don't know. They're probably leading us to the dome.
They're speeding up. Slow down.
Oh, there it is.
Can you zoom in on that?
I wish. This camera doesn't have a zoom feature. Well, actually it does. I just don't know what it is.
Did you try this?
What? That's a good idea. You're a freaking genius.
I just got. Hey, where'd they go?
I don't know. Dude, you are a genius.
There they are.
Well.
Over there. Am I in the shot?
No. I don't know where they are.
I see them right over there in the shade.
They're in the shade. But the thing is, my phone can't pick them up.
May I?
Sure, why not?
Low light. There they are.
Right, you got it?
Yeah.
My God, those boats are furious.
Here you go.
And they're gone.
Nope, they're still there.
Right there?
Yeah, right over there by the tree. On the side of the trailer.
Oh. Oh my gosh. Where are they? Oh, I got him. They're leading us someplace. He's got to get eaten by a dang alligator.
Trust me, I don't think there's any gators over there.
Oh, there's gators over there. I seen them. When I was like 10. I swam in there when I was 10. Oh my gosh, no! They were mocking
wait, let me see that.
Sunspot. But yeah.
I got one. Anyway, yeah, that's pretty much it. I think it might be doves or something. I don't know, I'm not a birdologist.
This has been Alex L and Thomas Klaus.
Turn the camera back towards you so I can punch you in the face so everybody gets it.
Peace.